Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, in this class we are going to discuss whether the given sequence is monotonically increasing or strictly increasing or monotonically decreasing or strictly decreasing. Okay, for example, the sequence is given sequence of n into n plus 1. Here we have to check whether this sequence is monotonically increasing or decreasing. Okay, first take xn equals the given sequence n into n plus 1. This can be written as n into n square, n into 1, n. Xn plus 1. Replace n by n plus 1 in this sequence. N plus 1, n plus 1 plus 1. N plus 1, n plus 2. Multiply n into n square, n into 2, 2n, 1 into n, 1 into 2. Xn plus 1 equals n square, 2n plus 1, 3n plus 2. Here, check xn's n square plus 3n plus 2 is greater than n square plus 1. Yes. N square plus 3n plus 2 is greater than this n square plus 1. This is nothing but xn plus 1. N square plus n nothing but xn. Therefore, xn plus 1 greater than xn for every n. Therefore, the sequence xn is strictly decreasing. Hence, sequence xn is monotonic. Okay, next, consider the sequence n plus 1 by n. This can be written as n by n plus 1 by n. That is 1 plus 1 by n. This is xn. Xn plus 1 is 1 plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. N plus 1 is greater than n. Yes. Take the reciprocal. If you take the reciprocal, then the sign will be reversed. 1 by n plus 1 is less than 1 by n because 4 is greater than 2. Okay. But 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2 because 1 by 4 value 0.25, 1 by 2 value 0.5. If you take the reciprocal, then the sign will be reversed. Okay, next adding 1 on both sides. 1 plus 1 by n plus 1 less than 1 plus 1 by n. This is xn plus 1 less than xn, or xn is greater than, that is xn is greater than xn plus 1, or you write this only, xn plus 1 is less than xn for every n. Therefore, sequence xn is strictly decreasing. Okay. Hence, sequence xn is monotonic. Next, consider the sequence 2n plus 5 divided by 3n plus 4. Take xn equals 2n plus 5 divided by 3n plus 4. Xn plus 1, replace n by n plus 1. 2 into n plus 1 plus 5. 3 into n plus 1 plus 4. 2 into n, 2n plus 2 plus 5. 3n plus 3 plus 4. That is 2n plus 7 divided by 3n plus 7. Consider xn plus 1 minus xn. Xn plus 1 is 2n plus 7 divided by 3n plus 7 minus xn is 2n plus 5 divided by 3n plus 4. LCM is 3n plus 7 to 3n plus 4. Cross multiplication, 2n plus 7 into 3n plus 4 minus 2n plus 5 into 3n plus 7. Next, multiplication, we get 6n square plus 8n plus 21n plus 28 minus 6n square plus 14n plus 15n plus 35 divided by 9n square plus 12n plus 21n plus 28. Okay, 6n square minus 6n square cancel. 8 plus 21, 29n. 14, 15 is 29n minus sign. These two cancel. 28 minus plus minus 35. 28 minus 35 is minus 7. Denominator, this is minus nothing but less than 0. Therefore, LHS xn plus 1 minus xn less than 0. Xn plus 1 is less than xn. Therefore, sequence xn is strictly decreasing. Therefore, the sequence xn is monotonic. Next example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus n. Now take xn equals 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on n. Xn plus 1 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus n. One more term, right? One more term, that is n plus 1th term, n plus 1. Now consider xn plus 1 minus xn. Xn plus 1 is this term minus xn is this one. All the terms up to n get cancelled. We have only n plus 1. N plus 1 is greater than 0 for every n. Therefore, xn plus 1 minus xn greater than 0. xn plus 1 is greater than xn. Therefore, the sequence xn is strictly increasing. Therefore, sequence xn is monotonic. Okay. Next example, 1 divided by n into n plus 1. First take xn equals 1 divided by n into n plus 1. xn plus 1 is replace n by n plus 1. 1 by n plus 1, n plus 1 plus 1. 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Consider xn plus 1 minus xn equals 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2 minus 1 by n into n plus 1. In both the terms n plus 1 is common, so right outside we have 1 by n plus 2 minus 1 by n. LCM is n into n plus 2. Multiply this by n, multiply this by n plus 2. We have n minus n plus 2. n minus n minus plus minus 2. These two get cancelled. We have minus 2 divided by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This is minus, therefore less than 0. Therefore, xn plus 1 minus xn less than 0. xn plus 1 less than xn. Therefore, sequence xn is strictly decreasing. Therefore, sequence xn is monotonic. Next example, 1 divided by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 and so on plus 1 by n into n plus 1. Now take xn as it is the given sequence. Write xn plus 1. Same last term plus n plus 1th term, that is replace n by n plus 1. xn plus 1 equals 1 divided by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 and so on plus 1 by n into n plus 1. This is nth term. We have to write n plus 1th term, that is plus 1 divided by n plus 1. n plus 1 plus 1 is n plus 2. Okay. Now consider xn plus 1 minus xn. All these terms minus these terms. All the terms get cancelled. This one cancel. This is cancel. 1 by n into n plus 1, 1 by n into n plus 1 cancel. All the terms get cancelled. We have only this term. 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2, which is positive, greater than 0. Therefore, xn plus 1 greater than xn. Therefore, sequence xn is strictly increasing. Therefore, sequence xn is monotonic.